Hi everyone! Good afternoon! Good afternoon! Welcome to my vlog! So this will be the third episode of my Talking For You. I don't know if you hear the theme song of SM, but you know, andito ako just after my work. Andito na iced coffee, Kapizur. Yan lang. Let's talk about anything under the sun. Especially how to be happy in simple things. Happiness na naman. Yan, I don't know if baka maka-copyright ang vlog ko because of the background music. Anyways, just I am so happy today kasi I work diligently doing my best. And after which, gusto ko sana mag-Dunkin because I love their iced coffee, but walang available na iced coffee basta mga around 4 PM onwards. Ewan ko, hindi na ata sila nagmi-mix ulit ng iced coffee. Puro hot na lang. So I don't like hot kasi nag-hyperacidity ako. But pareho lang naman coffee, no? Baka mindset ko lang din, di ba? So yun, it's Friday today. Natinake ko tong vlog na to nasa SM, and tomorrow is a weekend. I'm planning to go sa office and to do some good work kasi I love my work. Love my work. So pakita ko sa sana ko. Yan. So that's the SM. Yan, kasama ko sa Ruben, head ng HR. Yan, dito ako sa SM. Yan. You know guys, I love this DJI kasi hindi halata na nagvi-video ako. Kasi it's so small. Pero di ko rin alam kung naririnig nyo ang music, baka makapiright ako. So yan yung friend ko na enroll ko sana sa life coaching. He's already 60 years old but looking young. He's just like 75 years old.
Right.
His favorite color, hindi naman halata na blue. And hindi naman halata na hindi malabo ang mata niya. Kasi may eyeglass na Pero sosyalan yan, alam nyo,
Bakit ako naman ang ginawa?
always happy yan siya sa life niya. Diba? Sagot.
Of course. I love men.
Na
unicorn.
alam nyo na bakit happy siya. I just want to pursue my vlogging career. Kaya i-like nyo na, subscribe nyo na, and also mag-comment. Comment daw kayo kung taga-saan kayo yung mga nag-watch ng vlog. Although may vlog, yung view niya is just like mga 15 views, yung ganun, but I'm happy enough kasi may nanonood, ganun man talaga. Talking vlog lang ang gusto ko for now, but if you will browse my channel, it's meron mga food, how I prepare food, mga pagkain, and then ngayon, gusto ko na mag-talking vlog kasi I just want to practice my public speaking skills. My mentor. Hi! This is Ma'am B.
Grabe naman itong vlog na ito. Friday dating niya.
It's vlog. Nagre-record.
Okay, hello po.
My beautiful ever supervisor.
Ay, grabe. Happy Friday, everyone. Wow.
So that was my supervisor. Very beautiful. Di namin alam na andito na rin siya sa SM. So for me, it's iced coffee. Iced coffee. So it triggers my nerves to be active. Although magkaka-hyperacidity ako. Well, ganun naman talaga. But may mga coffee lover. Recently lang ako maka-coffee lover. So yung isang taong dito is yung hot coffee naman sa kanya yan. Hindi ko alam kasi ang coffee kasi once you reach 60 years old, so hot coffee talaga ang gusto para suiting siya sa throat niya. Hindi naman siya halatang 65 years old. Tingnan mo, di ba ang ganda? Isang flying kiss. Di ba? It's another fruitful day, fruitful week from Monday to end. It's Friday today. Yung vlog nito, it's Friday kinanan ko. So, hindi ko alam kung ma-upload ko siya tonight kasi may isa pa akong video, but I will be trying my best to edit this one. Gusto ko lang ng ganito, mag-talk sa sarili ko kasi I am planning na ma-enhance ko pa ang public speaking skills para maging walang hiya talaga ako. Currently, just making things going smooth. Ito lang ako coffee sa life, and although I'm trying to be happy every now and then, trying to be grateful in life. Yun lang man talaga ang very, very important sa life. Even though naghihirap, nag-struggle, kasi lahat ng tao is may struggle talaga, iba-iba yung level ng struggle, but you just need to be happy and to be grateful of where you are now. So yun lang yung importante, nakakakain, nagbibili ang gusto, nakakatulong sa kapwa, diba? And don't forget always to pray, always, every night, every day, every morning, so lahat na lang, diba? So, thank you sa panonood ng vlog ko. Please do comment down below kung tagasan kayo para alam ko kung sino nanonood. So, I think until here na lang ang vlog ko. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!